Hi guys, in today's video we are looking on how to make a storybook with AI. It's very easy and trust me, right now so many people don't know about this, so it's your chance to even make money with this skill. So with that storybook you can make for yourself, for fun, for maybe for your child, for your husband, for your wife, for your cousin, just for your personal use. Second, you can offer like a gift, so you can make that book for someone's birthday and give this book to them. And third, you can make money with this book because it is a personalized book. So many parents will be interested in buy a personal book with their child because it's really cool. Trust me, if you go for example in Etsy, you will see storybooks, personalized children book, £9, £10, £24. But this is not even what I will show you in this video. For example, this, you can do a book like this, which one is more expensive, like £43, okay? And we will do it in just few seconds. How? Let me show you. So first step is to go in Google and here type Gemini Storybook. Then press first link Gemini Storybook and you can see create personalized illustrate story about anything with read aloud narration. Add files and photos if you like. And Gemini will create a unique 10-page storybook for you. Okay, let's try this. So press start your story and here you can press this little icon, press upload a file and you can upload an image of your child, for example, or of yourself or your husband, or who do you want, okay? Or maybe if you're selling, you receive a photo from that parent which one buy from you this book, storybook. He give you the photo and you upload that photo here. For this tutorial I just upload a photo of a girl. Now please remember, you can see here is a t-shirt or dress, red. So just remember her and you can see what this AI can do. You will be surprised. So just insert your photo and then you can say anything you want on that story. And up here you can see some examples. My 7 years old doesn't want to sleep over at their grandma's house. Create a storybook to help them cope. Okay? So you can say, for my 9 years old daughter, don't eat anything, just fries, nuggets and sweet corn. And you can say her name is, just give a name, for example, Ami. And if you want to go more deep, like say, and her mom name is Caroline, okay? And if you want more deep, just type what you want to see in the story. And then you can say create a storybook to help her with that, okay? So this is my prompt, but you can say anything you want or anything your customer want. You can type anything. And then just press enter and wait for your storybook. You can see here create storybook, create illustration. By the way, this AI tool, that's why I say, is you can see here is experiment. So a lot of people don't know about this AI tool. Now it's Q4, it's Christmas time, almost there. So you can sell this like a personalized product. Very easy. You can marketing on TikTok and do a lot of money. Okay, and here is our book. You can see her t-shirt here and the ponytails. The blue eyes is exactly like in the picture. So for sure, you can charge a lot of money for that. And let's say like £40, how you see early per customer. You have 10 customers, it's £400. And trust me, so many parents will pay for that, especially now before Christmas. So just start to work. Okay, so here is Ami and the Garden of Surprising Taste. By the way, if you don't like here to write by Madeline or by your name, okay, full name, you can say in the prompt, don't write by, okay, because he give you automatic from your Google account. So just type, I want to write by, just give a name and any name, okay. And now you can see here the little girl, and say Amy was a girl who know what she like. For every meal she want 3 things: crispy golden fries, crunchy chicken nuggets, and sweet sunny corn. But Amy, her mom, Caroline, you see, you say Caroline, her mom, will say gently, there are so many other delicious food to try. Amy will just shake her head like she don't want. And now you can see that story. I will not read here the story, I just show you how to do it. And just, you can see page after page after page after page after page after page, okay. And just print, you can print here, you can press here to print, you can do full screen, you can share the storybook. So if it's just a gift for someone for free, like it's just a gift, or to send your husband or someone else, just give a share. And also you can listen.
When she opened her eyes, the garden seemed even brighter. She felt a warm, happy feeling spread all the way to her toes. She didn't feel scared of the other foods anymore. She felt ready for anything. What does this one do? She asked, pointing to a curly purple kale. That night, Amy surprised her mom. Can we...
Okay, so that is how you make a storybook. For more tips about AI, about prompts, about different things for marketing, digital marketing, for make money online, for business, you can join our community by click the link below. And here you can find different prompts and, how I say, tools, so many things, and you can interact with us. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, just press like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye.